Question number 9. The histogram below shows the measured cholesterol levels of different people during a regular checkup at the doctor's. 300 patients' cholesterol levels were recorded for this graph. What is the best estimate of the amount of people who had a cholesterol level less than 205? This is another one of the problems that just slipped my mind when going through and making the 1.03 notes in ClassKick, but still something that we can get through by just watching this video and going through this problem. So this histogram here is made in a relative frequency. So this relative frequency histogram instead breaks up the numbers into their percentages, and then the percentages are changed to their decimal forms. So now the bottom is the cholesterol level. The left side are the relative frequencies, their decimal forms of the percentages. Okay, so really this is 5%, this is 10%, this is 20%, this is about 35%, 25%, and then 5%. When you add this all up, 35 plus 5 is 40, 40 plus 25 is 65, 85, 95, 100%. It should total to be 100. Now, what is the best estimate of the amount of people who had cholesterol level less than 205? First thing we need to know is all the relative frequencies for the cholesterol levels less than 205. Okay, so we're not going to include 205, everything to the left of it. So less than 205 means we're going to include this bar and this bar. So this is 0.1 and this is 0.05 in their decimal form. We're going to add those up. You can use your calculator if you want. 0.1 plus 0.05 will give us 0.15, which is basically saying 15% have less than 205 for their cholesterol level. Now, in terms of our 300 patients, just like the circle graph problem that y'all may have done in the 1.03 notes or 1.03 lesson, we're going to multiply this relative frequency from A with the number of total patients used for this data. So the relative frequency total is 0.15. We're going to multiply with the total number of patients, which it tells us is 300. Okay, so using our calculator, 300 times 0.15 is 45. So 45 patients have a cholesterol that's less than 205, or 45 people. 45 people. Then we can move the box to check and make sure we did this correctly. And there we go. 45. That's it for question number 9.